Welcome to YouTube Excel Magic Trick number 19. Hey, if you want to follow along by downloading this workbook, click on my channel and then click on the college website and you can download this workbook with trick number 11 to 22. Hey, in this little Excel trick, we're going to see how to randomly generate words. No way. Hey, that means we're going to have to look at two functions, rand between and choose. Rand between generates whole numbers between any two numbers. So 1 and 50 would automatically generate whole numbers between 1 and 50. Hey, don't forget, if you're not using 2007, you're using earlier versions, you got to click on the Tools menu, then click on Add-ins and add the Analysis Tool Pack. Now, this tool pack is totally rad because it adds lots of cool functions, not just rand between. Hey, what's the choose function? That will randomly select from a list of words. Hey, let's see how to do this. Let's click in cell C6. I'm going to zoom this so we can see this even bigger here. All right, you ready? Whoop, jumping all around. Equals choose. And the way choose works is it wants the number, an index number like 1 to 5. And then there'll be a list of 5 values, and whatever number comes up here, it'll pick from the list. Now, here's the cool thing about this. We want to randomly generate words from this list, so we'll use our rand between. R-A-N-D-B, rand between. There it is. Choose rand between. Now we want a bottom and a top. So we're going to type 1, 5. The bottom number it's going to randomly choose from is 1 and the top is 5. Now that's the first part of the choose function. Index number 1 to 5. Put a comma. Oh, and we want our list of words. And you got to put words in quotes. Excel, when you're doing functions and you have words, it likes quotes. So I'm going to put quote west, end quote, comma. The next word's got to be in quotes too, so quotes, south, end quotes, comma. Notice we're separating our list of 5 words with commas, but each word has to be in quotes. Now I'm going to put quotes, north, end quote, comma, and then a quote, northwest, end quote. Whoa! Hey, wait a second. We can't see the whole. There it is. And then finally, one last word, comma, and then quote, and then Midwest, end quote. Close parentheses. Now, let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller. There you go. That's the formula right there. Choose. This is going to randomly generate a number between 1 and 5, and that means it will randomly select from this list. So if 1 comes up here, it'll take west. If 5 comes up, Midwest. Control Enter. I'm going to copy this over. I'm going to point to my fill handle in the corner when I see my crosshair or angry rabbit. Click and drag. Look at that. If I hit my F9 key, which is recalculate the workbook, boop, it randomly generates words. No way, that is so cool. How to generate random words in Excel with that delicious, cool formula right there. All right, see you next Excel trick.